Meteor illuminates night sky in United Kingdom. A brilliant streak of light that turned out to be a fireball meteor recently flashed through the Earth's atmosphere over southwest England. It also created a loud sonic boom due to its speed. The exciting phenomenon, which occurred just before 10 p.m., was so dazzling that it caused doorbell cameras to switch on and record it as it got brighter. The fireball then changed into a trail of orange sparks resembling large fireworks. Although thousands of meteors enter and fall apart in the Earth's atmosphere every day, it is not so common to be witnessed by so many people. This particular meteor left behind some small fragments, which scientists found to have a rare mineral combination that could give clues about the formation of the solar system and the emergence of life on the planet. Such fascinating news, United Kingdom residents, on your sighting of this celestial event. As we look up at the stars, we thank the Divine for their loving light and for our protection in this small corner of the galaxy.